Hello friends, welcome to my channel Amjad Online Academy. I'm really glad to see you after so long spell of time, because I'm making this video after so long period because I was really busy in some other projects. Now I'm back, right? And I'm really glad to see you at this platform, and I'm here just to make new video, try to revise the videos, right, for you, and just I will try to introduce the new videos here, right? Okay, so today I'm going to start with a new, not a new subject actually, but the very subject is not new actually, but from this point of view, or from this video point of view, it is a new, because I'm starting with this subject now, and the subject is known, actually popularly known as management accounting. All right, so here today in this video I will discuss the main concept of the management accounting. As I've told you, if you are my already viewer, already subscriber, right, you know that I always emphasize on the concept of the topic. I never go the bookish definition, right, bookish concept, what are there, because there are a lot of other connotations are there, but my point of view is just to make your concept clear. Once your concept is clear, then everything is clear. No, there's no problem, then you will be able to understand the things at yourself. So here my main emphasis is to just make the things easier for you, and just to make the concept clear. So management accounting is also known as accounting for manager. The another name of this subject is accounting for manager, right? And in some books, or you can find some books titled with financial accounting for manager. This is also nomenclature is given this for this subject, but here we will discuss in this video what this subject is all about, right? As I've already said, if you go through the bookish definition, you will find innumerable definition given in every book, right? बहुत सारे books मिल जाएंगी, बहुत सारे books में there are 1000 definitions, right? So there is no point of cramification here, because I do not want to put you just cramify here, because there is no use of watching this video if you are in the habit of cramming up the things, right? कि अगर आप क्रैम अप करने का आपको हैबिट है, देन आपको ज़्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं होगा, बिकॉज आई एम हियर जस्ट टू मेक द कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर. एज आई डू नॉट वांट टू गिव द फिश टू माय लर्नर्स, टू माय व्यूअर्स, राइट? I just want make them know how to fish. My point of view is that. So as an introduction part, or you can say the concept of the management accounting, how do we define? As I've already said, I will say one statement that will astonish you, or that will wonder you, when I will say that management accounting is not a core discipline in itself. First of all, management accounting is not any particular core discipline like financial accounting, like cost accounting, like financial management, like economics, like statistics, like physics, like chemistry, because they are the core discipline, like mathematics, they are the core discipline. But what is the particularity or peculiarity of this subject is that this is not the core discipline, right? Why I'm saying this? Because management accounting is not any subject. As I told you, this statement will astonish you. And why I'm saying this? First, I will just make this thing clear to you, and I will make the concept very much clear to you. When it will be the matter of just giving you the bookish definition, then I will also give you the bookish definition. Okay, how do we define in the books, right? Okay, what are the bookish definition given in each and every book, right? Then I will tell you also. But first, you should understand in the easiest way. If somebody asks you, okay, what is the management accounting? So how will you be able to define it? So first, the thing, which should strike your mind, okay, how do we define the subject in our own language? How do we define the topic in our own language? If somebody asks, right? So if somebody asks you what is management accounting, first you have to say management accounting is nothing, is not a core discipline in itself, but what it is. Management accounting is, first of all, the combination of different other disciplines. What I am saying here, as I've told you, I am repeating, that management accounting is nothing, but it is the combination of other core disciplines. It is a combination of different other subjects. Why? Right? It means It relies means management accounting. I will use a short form here. Management accounting relies, or you can say depends on, other subjects and borrows different tools and techniques which are useful in decision making. Got my point? You got my point? What I have said here, look, management accounting is nothing. It is a combination of the different discipline, different other subject, and it borrows, it depends right on other subject, because it borrows different tools and techniques and concept of the other discipline, so that it could tell to which are helpful or which are useful in decision making. The point to be emphasized here is decision making, right? What this sort of decision making, that's why, and the nomenclature, now you can relate the nomenclature of the subject management accounting or accounting for manager. Now you can relate this point decision making with the nomenclature of this subject. Okay, decision making, how it helps, who takes the decision? You tell me, who takes the big decisions in the business? Top level managers. So management accounting is something which provides assistance to the top level management so that they could take decisions. So it helps. Management accounting is nothing. It borrows different tools and techniques which are practically applicable, which have some practical application, which may be useful for the decision making. So here the point to be emphasized is decision making, and what decision making can be. What decision making I'm talking about? That decision making may be pricing. Do you know the pricing or pricing strategy is a function of the top level management? Who decides the price? Top level managers. कि what will be the price of our product? कि अगर हम कोई चीज़ मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं तो उसकी क्या प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटजी होगी हमारी? Which pricing strategy we have to follow? Which pricing strategy we have to adopt? Or you may say, what will be sales? कितनी हमारी सेल्स होगी? What will be the turnover of the business? Who will decide? This is decided by the top level manager. Or you say, deciding the selling price. Deciding the whose function it is. It is also the function of top level managers. Who decides the selling price? Top level managers, right? So there are a lot of alternative decisions which are taken by the top level manager, whether to shut down the business, whether to continue the business, whether we have to make the things, whether we have to outsource the things from outside. So there are several decisions which we will discuss in the later videos, but here just I am citing some examples of decision making, what can be the decision making in which the management accounting will be helpful. So in my own, you will not find this concept in any book. What I'm telling you here in this platform here, right? Here management accounting is nothing. It is a combination of different discipline, and it borrows different tools and techniques from those disciplines. Now the question arises, what are those disciplines? What are those disciplines? That may be cost accounting. First of all, management accounting majorly depends on cost accounting. Then financial accounting, management accounting also depends on financial accounting. It also depends on economics. It depends on financial management. So it depends on several other disciplines, right? So these are the other disciplines, right? So this is the basic concept and basic definition, right? I can tell you about the management accounting, so it will be easier for you now to understand the subject definition, because when we talk about the definition of this subject, we start just cramming up. We start finding out what is given in the books. Okay, somebody said what? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Try to learn the things in your own, right? In your own sentence, in your own words. अपने अपने आप में समझने की कोशिश करो कि मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, नाउ आई कैन प्रूव इट कि why I said that management accounting is not a core discipline itself. I can prove it. You can go, right? You can check the syllabus of each and every university of the management accounting. You will find there will be a lot of differences. There will be a lot of variations in the syllabus of management accounting of different universities. Why? You will not find script bound syllabus of management accounting in any university. किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग का आप स्क्रिप्ट बाउंड सिलेबस नहीं मिल पाएगा आपको. लाइकवाइज कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, लाइकवाइज फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, लाइकवाइज इकोनॉमिक्स, यू कैन फाइंड द स्क्रिप्ट बाउंड सिलेबस, बट आप मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग का सिलेबस नहीं देख पाओगे एक जैसा. आपको हर यूनिवर्सिटी का सिलेबस उसका अलग मिलेगा. एंड दिस प्रूव्स that management accounting is not a core discipline itself. It takes some techniques. So it depends on the syllabus designers कि उनको क्या important लगता है अपने बच्चों को, students को aware करना. It also depends where you are studying. If you are studying in IIM, IIT, तो उनको IITians, IIM को क्या लगता है कि अपने students को क्या चीज़ पर emphasize कराना है. कुछ books, for example, in some syllabus you will find the ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is a part of the syllabus. In some other syllabus, ratio analysis will not be there. In some syllabus, you will find break-even analysis. In some syllabus, you will not find break-even analysis will not be there. In some syllabus, you will find fund flow statement and cash flow statement. In some syllabus, you will not find these two things, fund flow statement. Okay. I was telling you, who does this management accounting? As I have told you the meaning of the management accounting and the brief introduction of the management accounting. Now the question arises, who does it? The person who does the management accounting is known as management accountant. Management accountant. Chief, they are also known as chief intelligence officer. They are also known as chief intelligence officer for every company, for every business, those who do the management accounting, right? So how do just for the purpose of giving you the additional knowledge, how do we become the management accountant? Previously there was a renowned course in India, right, when there is a big difference in the accounting system, in international accounting system and in Indian standard accounting standard. So there was a popular course that was known as ICWA. You might be heard about this, Indian Cost Work Account, right? But as we are talking about synchronizing of international accounting standard, and we are going to just coordinate because there are multinational corporations in every country, so we are talking about the consolidation of the accounting system that is known as FIRS, International Financial Reporting System. So that's why another course has become very much popular these days. And who makes you the CMA, means who makes you certified management accountant these days actually. And this the degree of CMA is issued by the IMA. That is the actually that is one of the authority, right, which issues in America. In that America Institute is there who issues the degree CMA. So actually both the degree make you management accountant. So you have to acquire a professional degree to become a management accountant for a particular company. Now when you will be able in the position of doing management accounting, right, so what will be your main responsibility? If I say what you have to do is that you have to do nothing, just gather information. You have to gather the information. If you are the management accountant of any particular company, you have to gather information, then break information. I'm talking about this break accounting information. I mean to say that break information here means break accounting information into relevant and irrelevant. Relevant and irrelevant, right? So when you will become a particular management accountant for a particular company. Say if I have become the management accountant in the Tata production group, Tata production company, for example, if that is manufacturing only the car, because Tata is manufacturing a lot of products in India, right, at international level also, but I'm right producing, I'm the unit of producing which is producing car. So there will be the other products of the Tata which will be irrelevant for me. So what I have to do first, I have to segregate what is relevant for me, what is irrelevant for, right? So here when I'm doing job in, when I'm the management accountant of Tata car manufacturing company, then that is the relevant. So first I have to segregate the relevant and irrelevant information. Then after that I have to decide the rank as per the significance. After deciding my relevant job, after deciding my relevant area, that I have to be the management accountant of the Tata car producing company, right? Then I have to give rank of all that variables, right, as per their priority and as per their significance or importance. So this is generally the job of the management accountant. Then there are a lot of other responsibilities. Then he has to decide the selling price, he has to calculate the cost of the product. We will discuss later on. But here I'm little bit concerned just to make you clear the brief introduction of the management accounting, which the people are very much confused about, because they do think that the management accounting is something which is core discipline in itself. I have made it very much clear here that management accounting is not anything which is the core discipline here, right? It is the combination of different other subjects which we try to borrow some tools and techniques, right, and principles, set of principles which are useful in decision making, right? This is the I have made you understand in my own, right, words, in my own definition. You will not find these words anywhere in any book, because this is not explained in this way, because every book has some bookish definition. Now if any one of you says that you have defined the things management accounting and you have to give the example, you have to write the examination, so for that writing purpose, for writing examination purpose, I can tell you the definition of management accounting, which is given by the particular authority. That is also a very authentic definition for the purpose, for the heck of your understanding, that if you want to say just sir give the bookish definition, कि सर आपने इतना कुछ तो बता दिया, ये इधर की बात बता दी, उधर की बात बता दी, लेकिन कम से कम एक बुकिश डेफिनेशन तो हमें बता दें कि हम इसको एग्जाम में कैसे लिखेंगे। हम इस तरह से भी, अगर आप ये जान लीजिए कि एग्जामिनेशन आर आल्सो नॉट स्क्रिप्ट बाउंड। जनरली स्टूडेंट्स थिंक्स दैट कि एग्जाम में भी बिल्कुल उसी तरह से लिखना होता है जैसे बुक में लिखा है। अदरवाइज जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया, आप एग्जाम में भी ऐसे लिख सकते हैं। बट इफ मैनी ऑफ यू थिंक दैट आई शुड गिव यू bookish definition, then I can also tell you how bookish definition of the management accounting is, which is given by the authority. Okay, how do we define, how can we bind the management accounting into one definition? We can say here management accounting is the presentation of accounting information in such a way that they are useful for the management, to decide strategies and policies. Again, look here, and this definition is given by American Accounting Association. So if you observe the definition, right, So the same thing I have told you before just telling you this definition. This definition serves the same purpose. What is management accounting? Management accounting is nothing according to this definition also. It is a representation. It is just serving the information to the top level management. So they they could decide some strategies, some policies related to product, related to selling price, related to turnover, whatever. So this is the main purpose of the management accounting, right? This is the concept, or you can say the brief introduction of the management accounting. So I hope that I have made some sense here, just to make you understand the concept of management accounting as an introductory part, right? I will discuss what the other things in my next video. And thanks for being patient with me, right? Thanks for watching this video patiently. I will see you, right? I will come with the next video, right? See you later. Thank you. Goodbye.